Well, hello there. Okay, so you've done the research, you've watched all the videos, and now you're convinced that you're ready to take the raw food plunge. You're excited to take on the challenge of embracing a fully raw vegan super healthy lifestyle, whatever that might entail. Perhaps it feels as intense as if you were getting ready, by yourself, to set out on a 30-foot sailboat to cross the Pacific. But hey, that's a little extreme, right? Or maybe it's just one of the many life changes you've yet to experience. Either way, watch to the end, and we promise to plug into what will be a life-changing and transformative health choice. By the way, before we dig into it, this is the perfect time to subscribe to the channel. It's quick, painless, and super supportive. And best of all, you'll be able to enjoy more great, new, raw lifestyle content as we upload it each week. Also, remember to like, comment, and share far and wide on social media. It helps to spread the word about the supercharged benefits of raw. So, what is the raw switch anyway? Well, it's a key decision that will likely change your life in a very good way. Hey, look, how we eat is a major part of who we are. It's a very personal thing, and it can have strong emotional responses. Will it be easy? Probably not. But look, what have you ever done in life of genuine value that did not involve hard work? I mean, whether it's earning a college degree or having your first child, life requires a whole lot of effort sometimes, right? So come along now, and let's dive into the how and why of it all. First, how do you make a seamless shift from eating bad foods to eating raw with the least disruption? Let's break it down into actionable, simple, small, and easily digestible bite-sized pieces. The mind is powerful. Deciding to change the way you eat starts as a notion, an idea, or a spark, if you will. Usually some sort of trigger will set off emotions that lead to a firm decision to go raw. Look, it could be something serious like being recently diagnosed with a life-threatening illness or disease, or it could just be the desire to lose a few pounds. Whatever it is, it's that trigger or single event that will lead you to a new way and better way of eating forever. So now that you've been triggered and you're ready to begin, where do you start? Well, one basic and important initial step is to simply change your surroundings. What does that mean? It implies that you'll have to remake your nest, so to speak. Set up your living environment so that it is more in sync with the way you want to eat going forward. This will require a big change in the kitchen, for example. Job 1 is for you to eradicate all the junky foods from your home. Low-energy, sluggish foods, as well as any energy-boosting caffeine products that you've been consuming need to go. Don't wait. Do it day one. Ketchup, frozen meat, boxed and canned foods in the pantry, etc. It all gets moved promptly to the trash. Be bold. Place a huge commercial-sized garbage can in the center of the kitchen and load it up with all those toxic foods that have dogged your health for years. It's quite liberating. Yeah, it really does feel great. If you are genuinely serious about getting healthy and losing weight, then how about donating all your cookware, pots and pans, etc. to your favorite charity? This would be a true marker that there is no turning back. No more heating and killing of your food. Alive food is how you roll now. Once the corporate-marketed, shelf-life compatible, date-stamped, old and processed foods are gone from your kitchen, it is now officially a raw food-friendly and healthy space. Okay, it's finally done. Good job. Next, you will have to completely re-engineer the way you buy food. For example, with raw, the dry aisles at the grocery store are a no-go zone. Stay away from these aisles. There is nothing healthy there for you. Get the drift? You are now a healthy eater, and as such, you have no need for this processed junk food anymore. Canned, bagged, and boxed food is simply no longer a part of your new healthy paradigm. Hey, you got this. Ready to become an expert at shopping for raw vegan foods? What do we mean? Well, in time you will become very skilled at sourcing the best and most ripe organic fruits and veggies in your local community. Remember, this takes effort. It's a total lifestyle change we're talking about here. With raw, you can eat a lot and eat often, so always have a large abundance of fresh fruit and veggies in your home. You will become really good at being more in touch with the seasonal changes in local produce. This means more frequent trips to the market. Connecting with local weekend farmers markets and joining local food co-ops is key. And remember, raw is self-perpetuating. As you eat more raw foods, craving for the wrong foods disappear. And then it all becomes so easy. Believe it! One good actionable tip is to start growing your own spouts and microgreens. This will get your hands dirty and get you more in tune with eating highly nutritious living foods. It also saves a ton of money. Also plan to buy a quality juicer and blender. As a healthy raw foodist, these will become your new go-to kitchen appliances. Here is another great idea. Explore juice fasting and water fasting. While not for the faint of heart, this is an incredibly powerful tool that helps to effectively reset the appetite control centers of the brain. Start out small and increase your total fasting days over time. We're not talking a few weeks here, but years. Think long-term. It's best to start with a few 48-hour fasts, and after a few months, attempt a 7-day, and next year go for a 21-day, etc. It is so important to pace yourself so that you stay healthy and gain the maximum benefit from the healing and regeneration that fasting provides. Let's stress it again. With fasting, start slow and of course work closely with a naturopath or other healthcare provider. Having blood work done and checking vitals is always a smart approach to fasting. If done wrong, it can be dangerous. Be careful. Learn the science of fasting and go slow. The more frequent you fast, whether juice, water, or dry, the more brain pathways and networks are rewired for more healthy and conscious eating. Here's yet another great tip. Why not cancel that gym membership and use all that excess energy to rip up your entire backyard and create huge raised garden beds? Working the gardens outside every day rather than exercising in a musty gym will save money while increasing the raw vegan foods you have on hand. It's a smarter allocation of energy, right? But hey, if you like the smell of the gym, do both. It's okay, it's whatever works for you. Next up is to stay plugged into channels like this one and others. See the links below. This will become your virtual Raw support team. Call it Raw Tech Support if you like. A support system is vital to staying engaged with new living food ideas, fun raw recipes, and the social activities of those that are living this remarkable lifestyle every day. Also, be ready. Being a raw foodie brings new challenges. Be prepared when flying commercial, traveling, or going to a restaurant. Keep it simple. Bring your own food so you can continue to spend quality time with family and friends. Be creative. Finally, begin to share with others the incredibly transformative power of raw. By inspiring others, you will in effect boost your own healthy living motivations. Best of all, it's fun, and you will meet new and interesting people. Raw is a win-win, no matter how you slice your fruit. And remember, whether you're an artist or engineer, your creativity and cognitive analytic brain function will soar on raw. At the end of the day, we can pay the doctor or pay the farmer. It's a choice we all must make. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoy getting notifications from YouTube, then take literally just 1 second to tap the notification bell for this channel. When you do, you'll be one of the first to know that an exciting new raw food video is hot off the press for you to enjoy. Thanks for visiting. See you next time.